Hello everyone and welcome to Sound Codex. In today's video I want to show you an abstraction I made using only PD vanilla objects, and it's called mmk, which stands for monophonic MIDI keyboard. It's a keyboard that you can easily use. It's very quick. You can use it to test your patch, to generate simple tones, to connect it to your synthesizer and create your own performances. By pressing each key, you can change the note number down here. By now it's set to MIDI values. You can switch from MIDI to frequency using this gray toggle, and it will display the actual frequency in hertz. You can transpose the sound using this horizontal radio, and it covers a full 5-octave range. It also has a help file that tells you a few things about how it's made, its behavior. But talking about how it's made, we can open the abstraction, and here we can see this mess, the spaghetti cable patch. This is because each key is made out of 3 bangs. We can try to move one of them. Here we can see the bang underneath. On top there's a canvas shaped so it has the perfect size that can cover the 3 bangs. That's why you can see all these connections. In this section we transpose each value that is linked to each key. Using these objects, we can change the color of each key so that it flashes each time we press on top of it. The first bang, it's sent to the color that we want to see when the key is activated, so this yellow color. And after a delay of 250 milliseconds, it will set the black color for these keys and the white color for the keys below. Now we can create a super simple patch with a sine wave oscillator. The note out is sent to the oscillator. We can use a simple V line to generate an envelope. You can easily download this patch from my GitHub. The link is in the video description down below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and if this patch was useful for you, I really invite you to leave a like and subscribe to support my channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.